wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best oil lamps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Crisa Clear Pedestal is a large, striking model featuring a transparent reservoir that looks just as handsome with clear oil as it does with tinted. It will make an attractive addition to any room in your home, whether you intend to light it or not. It comes packaged with 2 wicks and a money-back guarantee. However, it feels flimsy to some. At number 9, nearly everything about the Dietz No. 1 Little Wizard is fun, from the name to the cheerful available colors. But it's not just a pretty face, as it'll hold 36 ounces and give you an ample 45 hours of illumination. This means it's a fine choice to keep around for emergencies. It's got a wide and stable base and is not overly expensive, but it can leak a little. Coming in at number 8 on the list. You don't have to be a sommelier or oenophile to appreciate this Firefly wine bottle lamp kit, which includes a chimney, a fiberglass wick, and an aluminum holder. It should work with most standard white and red bottles, but not champagne sizes. The large globe lets air circulate, and it allows for a personalized look. However, it is more decorative than feature-heavy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for oil lamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, an adequately sized 10-inch model. The Feuerhand Hurricane boasts that it's made in Germany and that it arrives with a care pack, which includes an extra wick as well as instructions, making it a fine option for those who are new to non-electric lighting. There are multiple colors to choose from, with an average candle power of 7 to 8, but it seems expensive for the overall quality. Moving up our list to number 6. You could certainly say that the Firefly Modern Transcend has an interesting design, thanks to a sphere that appears to float within a hand-blown glass cylinder. A first-rate centerpiece, its look can even be customized by adding dyed oil. It includes a funnel for filling and stands about 6 inches tall. However, it is rather delicate. Halfway up our list at number 5. For many, they don't make the Dietz No. 76 original like they used to, but for its size and price, it's still an acceptable choice for occasional use. It burns for about 11 hours when filled completely, and works well in the great outdoors. It's available in a variety of colors and is simple enough to operate, but its durability is so-so. At number 4, the Danforth Pewter Skipper isn't your run-of-the-mill option, as its hand-spun base is elegant and eye-catching, more art piece than emergency gear. This makes it a great present for those who appreciate the finery of yesteryear, especially since it arrives in a gift box. It's got a 4-ounce capacity and creates a mellow ambience. However, it is on the pricier side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Do-it-yourselfers may enjoy the Creative Hobbies chimney holders, a 4-pack of burners that work with any regular-mouthed mason jars you have at home. You'll also need some 3-inch chimneys, but for the low price and rustic vintage style, the extra effort is worth it. It features 6-inch cotton wicks and brass-plated steel. It's easy to assemble. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for oil lamps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're a camping or outdoors enthusiast, you're probably already familiar with the brand, and this Coleman one-mantle lives up to the company's reputation for affordable functionality. Fill it with 2 pints of kerosene and it'll illuminate for just under 6 hours. It's equipped with a bale handle for hanging, a porcelain-coated ventilator, and a brightness adjustment knob. And taking the top spot on our list. Although the Vermont Lantern's Brass Mini is on the smaller side, as you may have guessed, it offers a blend of affordability and quality that's tough to beat. Plus, its traditional styling is charming without being over-the-top or gaudy. You can choose between clear and amber glass and from 4 finishes. The base has a diameter of 3 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for oil lamps, or simply click beneath this video.